Yo, 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 what up, what up? What up, everybody? Yeah, how you guys doing? How you guys doing? Appreciate it. Appreciate you guys for watching. Let's go. Game time. Alright, so I'm just gonna go over like the monthly and stuff like that. Let's see what we could come across. We do see this right here, being the range. So we kind of are inside of that range right now. Wick above usually signals lower prices, so there is a chance that we come down here to create lower prices. What else do I see? I mean, we are bearish currently right now. Let's see. Hold on, let me see something. Here to here. Alright, so technically we already did that. We already came back. Alright. So that's kind of what I see right now. Kind of gonna be inside of this range right now. So I think that's the next levels to look out for. Either we're gonna be targeting that or that. Obviously, there's kind of two choices. Alright, so let's go to the weekly. So if we see this, then there's always a chance that we could come down here to this level down here. So if that is our target, then at some point we should be looking for some kind of sales type of thing. But this is a monthly, so it takes time. Let's go to the weekly. Same thing. This is the range in the weekly. We wicked above, close back inside of the range. So now since we touched the top of this range, there's a good chance that we need to touch the bottom of this range. So at some point we might need to come up to come back down. So that's also kind of saying we need to come down. That's on the weekly. So on the daily, let's see the daily. The daily is saying we broke above, and then the next candle closed back underneath this range. So there's a good chance that since we closed back in the range, there's always a chance that we go back to the bottom of the range, which is at least right here, and the other one would be right here. Excuse me. And wick below, or I mean close below this previous candle. Close below signals lower prices, so technically that kind of also does say lower prices also. So that's kind of saying lower prices on the daily. 12-hour, same idea, range below. Let's see, hold on. Yeah, so look, this is the range that we're in. Close below is the idea. So once we close below, it's the previous candle before that. So let me change it to white. So it'll be the previous candle before that. So that'll be that candle. So it'll be the previous one before that, which would be here. Let's see where the previous would be there. So what this is kind of telling me on the 4-hour is at some point we need to come possibly down to this level right here. I don't think we're gonna go all the way back up until we come back down to this level at some point. So kind of what I see possibly happening is some kind of maybe a move back down towards this way at some point. So that's kind of what I see right now on the 4-hour, 8-hour type of thing. We did close inside, so that created an inside bar. 12-hour, like I said, this is the previous low. It's the previous low to what this is. So the previous low to what that is also that right there. So let's see what this 1-hour is. So I do kind of see this is kind of the area around here. No, I see that being the area. So we do need to come down to this bottom area, I believe, at some point. All right, so let's see what we see here. Okay, so close above usually signals higher prices, so we need to signal higher prices. So let's see, we closed above. Let's see, closed above, or previous high to that would be, previous high would be about here. So I see that area needing to be tapped. So I do see this 27 level getting tapped. So at some point we might need to tap this 27 level, which is kind of giving me more reasoning that we didn't break up the first time. Now if we break up the second time, there's a good chance that we make it up there. So now let me see. Okay, look, it does the same thing right here, which is right here. So we have a closure below and the wick below here, so it's going to be the previous high to that. I mean the previous low to that. So the previous low would be here, so that would be the low. So now when we close below, wick below, we need a close below and a wick below. So no close below, wick below. So what this is kind of telling me is at some point we probably need to come back down to these levels down here. So if this was supposed to close below, wick below like that, and it didn't do that, then I know that this move up isn't the move that we're looking for. That's going to continue up. I believe at some point it's going to need to break these lows at some point. So if it needs to break these lows, then what that says is we need to come down. And then this now becomes the range right here, gives us more reason that why we need to probably target this low. So from where we're currently at to that low, it's only 6 pips, so it's a small range. Obviously it's already kind of small because we're on the 1 minute at this point. But let's see. Okay, that's the one right here. So that's the previous high right there. So previous high to that would be here. So what we're gonna probably look for is maybe something to do with a close below here, a wick above, and then maybe a push back down coming down this way. That would be still only 10 pips. That's not big of a range. It's not big. It's not that big. So I'll probably want to stay out of it, because I'm just saying if I did, like, ideally I would want to do that, because I could also look to the left over here. This is kind of would be my stop. So once this candle closes, it'd be the break of that candle high to come back down. But like I said, I'm not gonna take it. This is just an idea of what I would be kind of looking for. But yeah, so I'm out. I'm not taking nothing yet. I'm not taking anything. That becomes the high. So we're gonna close above, wick above. It will be probably here. So we could probably need to see that. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. If you guys wouldn't mind hitting that like button, hit that like button for me. That'll help out a lot. Appreciate it. Yo, we got 3 people watching. 3 people watching. Appreciate it. Oh, we got 7 people watching now. 7 people watching. Appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that like button for me. Let's get this stream out to more people. I appreciate it. Damn, I wonder if this is the move now that I was expecting. You know what? I'm gonna take a. No, I'm gonna stay out of it. I'm kind of looking for a buy right here. But the reason why I'm gonna stay out of it, because I did say earlier this wasn't the move, right? That's what I said. I said this wasn't the move, so we needed to come down. So I'm not gonna go. I could be wrong, but what I'm doing is just staying out of it because of that reason. Is the way I see this forming is that it needed to form differently. So if it didn't form the way I wanted to see it, then I don't see how this could possibly be the idea that I'm expecting. So it's like I said, I did want this area to get tapped. I'm wondering if this could have been the reversal we probably wanted. Oh, oops. Like I said, I had that line there for a reason, because I didn't think that this is a level that we would be kind of poking at, maybe turning around, but we did close back inside of this range. So I'm wondering if we top wick to come back down. This is what I'm thinking, is that this is because at this level was the level I was thinking this needed. But then if this comes down, it's the same idea as what this was that this wasn't the move back up, because I believe this wasn't the correct way I wanted to see this at the bottom. So this is the same idea as that. So if this is not the correct way to see the top, then I'm wondering if this is just to come back down so it could come back up again. Because this one moved all the way up and this wasn't the correct one. So if this is not the correct one again, I'm wondering if this is the same one that could maybe bring us back down to these levels that we want to see. But this is only 10 pips actually. So now I'm really looking at it. This is only 13 pips. That's a super small range. I don't really want to be dealing with that. That's not what I want right now. Let's see which way we're moving anyways. So on a higher time frame, we are moving up a little bit. We have this and this. We technically haven't touched this top yet. So I'm wondering if we are about around this middle yet. So what we could probably do though is maybe make our way up to these levels before coming down, or we make our way to that level and then go past it up. So the idea is going to be, how are we going to figure out this next move? So if this is the 4 hour, we closed above. Where I kind of do see this needing to go would be the previous high to that. So the previous high to that would be about here. So yeah, that's where I say, that's where I'm thinking it needs to tap. It needs to tap up at these levels at some point. So I do see this 25 or 23, 27 level getting tapped. I'm wondering if this was going to be enough. Maybe this is what brings us back down to these levels. Then we go up like that. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching though. I appreciate it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I'll answer it best of my ability. And make sure you guys follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram is in the description, and also our Discord is in the description. So if you feel like following us on Instagram or even joining our Discord, that way you could talk to other traders about trading and stuff like that, feel free to do that. I appreciate you guys for watching though. All right, there it goes. There goes the move up. That's what what I was kind of looking towards. But we did react at that level. So like I said, this was the level we reacted at. We closed back inside of this range. So now what I kind of see happening is we might need to tap this 50% level at least, which is down here. It's kind of what I'm... So if we need to come down here, then that could be a top wick maybe. Wick above lower prices. So lower prices right here says wick above. So this could just be going up to come back down. Damn. Now I'm wondering if it closes above here, is that going to signal some more buying pressure? So could the next one just open up straight up? Next resistance is not till up around here. Yeah, I see this going up. Wonder if I should take a buy. For a buy from here. This area is 15. Nah. Too small of range. I do see it needing a tap up here though. I appreciate you guys for watching though. I appreciate it. Let's see. All right, it's gonna go up from here. It's gonna hit this line and it's gonna go up. All right, it's gonna go up from there. That's where it's at. Yo, fluidity, what up, bro? Yeah, I see it. I see it needing to come up here to these levels up here. So I'm wondering if this could be a close below, and then this next one is gonna wick below, and then it's just going to shoot back up into this range to go back this way. So now this becomes the low. So I'm wondering if it needs to break this low and then go up, or did it already do that? Oh look, see, look, there it goes right there. I think that might be it. All right, you know what? I might take a buy right here, because I think it could flip all the way. Oh, never mind. Damn, good thing I didn't do that. Well, I'm thinking it needs to take a buy at this point, because if I took a buy, then it has all the way up here to go, and my stops could be right here, which is like 5 pips. It's not even that much. I haven't took nothing yet, but that didn't close like I would have wanted, so it's a good thing anyways. All right. Close below. It's gonna be actually. It's gonna need to come down here then. Now that I'm thinking about it, close below is here. Previous low to that is here. So it's gonna need to come down here. It needs to tap down here. It's coming down. That's just one more pip, but that's where this is where it's gonna react at. And that's only 4 pips. Yo, make sure you guys hit that like button. Hit that like button for me. Let's get this stream out to more people. Appreciate it. Yeah, I do see this yellow line getting tapped though. I think this yellow line needs to be tapped. So now that it broke this high, now I think it's gonna come down to break this low, and then it's gonna, oh, never mind, I could be wrong. Damn, that thing just straight jumped. I'll be close up here, target the previous low. I don't know. That close below. Could come up here to fill this wick. No top wick. We have this clean range pretty much up to this point up here too. Chat's quiet tonight. I know, bro. I don't know why tonight. Tonight is real quiet tonight. Damn, I wonder if this is enough to go to continue up. I'm wondering if that's enough. I did want to see this low get tapped, but I guess it didn't need it. I guess that was all it needed. But look at last time we got rejected. So I'm wondering if we could possibly get rejected again. Yeah, man. It's kind of chill right now. Kind of chill. I wonder if this is. My short rate on ETH is fire right now. Let's go. Good work, bro. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe. Hit that like and subscribe. Alright, yo. I'm gonna probably head off right now. I know I got on kind of late. It's not too much heading on right now, but my idea is that it needs to tap this top area, so it needs to come up here to this top. I do see this maybe doing it. I thought this was gonna be the one, but I'm wondering if this could be the one now. If this is the one that's gonna do it. That's kind of what I'm looking at right now. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. But yeah, I'm gonna hop off. I'm gonna get back on tomorrow though. I'll be on tomorrow longer because tomorrow I'm off work, so I'll have more time to be on and stuff. So, but yeah, I just wanted to get on real quick. But yeah, peace out, Fluidity. Appreciate you, bro. Peace.